see Daddy. Too cute. What's that get up all about, huh? Can you do this? Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Oh, little starfish. You're too cute. Yeah, do you like that snowsuit? Yeah. Whoa. It looks very cute on you.
Where's your hands?
What's this all about? Do these zip off? Oh, both sides do. Ah. What the heck is that all about? It goes all the way down, too. Crazy.
Emmy.
You're so cute.
Wanna go sledding?
Build a snowman? Yeah. You can play with the big kids outside now. Oh, we need to find you some boots somewhere.